About my shipbox project. I already have a complete 73, 74 S2 350 Kawasaki Triple. It's pretty much all together and pretty legit as far as components go, but along the way, a good buddy of mine picked up a 74 S250. So it's the 250cc two-stroke, three-cylinder Kawasaki Triple, and this one was in a front-end collision. So kind of what's on the table is what we had. The forks I had to scrounge from Canada. The gas tank I had to scrounge. That is not original. This is the original tail section. So it is the pearl green S1 250, which would make it a 74, I believe. It's the only year that they were green like that, pearl green. And that's the Mach 1 250 side cases. Those are original. The seat's original. The seat is actually in fantastic shape. I've been hitting it with Vaseline every night to kind of soften it up. So that way when I do start riding it, it's not going to destroy it. And it looks like it's getting soft, which is nice. So I figured I'd take you through the frame that this bike was originally. This bike, it was toast. The neck was bent. It actually hit so hard, talked the front wheel, bent the front forks back, and bent the neck. So I found this 75 S1 frame. I don't know why it's orange. We're gonna sandblast that. That's going out the sandblast for black. And the swing arm, chain cover, and kickstand parts, center and side kick, it's all going to get powder coated black. I was able to source most of the other parts. I think I'm going to keep it the original color, so the tank is going to get changed to green, and the front fender is supposed to be chrome, I believe. So this, I think, is good enough for a daily driver. This is going to be a daily, everyday, beat the shit out of it, down and dirty. It is not a full restoration. Everything I build I tend to use and run the shit out of. So that's my plan here. So let me take you through some things. That's going to go out, get powder coated. Those other parts are going to get powder coated. When they come back, we're going to start assembly. I've cleaned the rear plastic for the fender. That's the first thing that goes in. Then the air box goes in, and I actually have the original air box. That alone is rare on these bikes. Everybody rips that out and rejets the carbs and gives those pods. The mufflers seem to be in pretty good shape. I'm going to buff those out. Right now I have them soaking in motor oil, so it will soften what rust is on them. But for the most part, they're pretty legit. There's some rougher spots. We'll see what comes out, but I think for the most part, this is going to clean up. This is going to clean up real nice once I hit it with the buffing wheel. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. I just kind of wanted to document this, and that's the next step. When I get the frame powder coated, and then we will start assembly. So what I've been doing is I've just been cleaning, motor brackets. We're not restoring any of this. We're not making this mint and perfect. I kind of just want it clean. Nothing buffed, nothing crazy, just clean. I've been going past the engine and through the engine, just kind of cleaning everything. And then we will go through, and then I will go through and I'll hit some of the wiring and button it up. As I put it together, I'll clean everything as best I can, so make it perfect, make it clean, and run it. So that's what I got going on. 1974/75 S1 250 coming together. So this is the first step. Disassembled, kind of tagged all the parts, bagged everything, figured out what I did have, what I didn't have, assembled the frame roughly, and the only thing I'm down to are handlebars and a front wheel. And something for a headlight. But other than that, everything else is here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get moving on final assembly on it, get the parts out for powder coat, and start working on it. Thanks. See you guys.